Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Justanswer 24/7 Help app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Justanswer is an expert assistance platform where users can ask questions and receive professional guidance anytime, day or night. The app connects you with verified experts across fields like legal advice, medical help, tech support, mechanics, tutors, vets, home repair specialists, and more. It's available on both iOS and Android, offering fast responses through chat, photos, or calls. The main feature of Justanswer is its on-demand expert access. You submit a question, and a qualified professional replies with personalized assistance. Many users rely on it for solving urgent issues, understanding complex problems, or avoiding expensive in-person consultations. The app also provides membership options for unlimited expert questions each month. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its quick response times, knowledgeable experts, and the convenience of getting help anytime. It's especially useful for people who need guidance without scheduling appointments. The ability to upload images and chat directly with specialists makes issue solving much easier. However, there are some drawbacks. Full access often requires a paid membership, and some users report unexpected charges or difficulty canceling subscriptions. The quality of responses can vary depending on the expert, and certain complex issues may still require in-person professional help. Additionally, it's not a substitute for emergency medical or legal services. In summary, the Justanswer app may be worth using if you need fast, affordable, expert help across multiple fields and prefer convenient online guidance. However, if you're not comfortable with subscription fees or require guaranteed specialist accuracy, it might not be the best choice for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.